Good morning. It's April 1st. It's the S&P 500, and let's jump in here. And what we're looking for is we've sold off quite a bit from yesterday, obviously. About, what was the high over here? So we put in a high over here at 26.35. We've been down to 24.67. So quite a pretty good sell-off. We'll talk lower targets in just a minute, but we want to talk about bouncing areas first. So can't rule, we've been up into this area, we've really been up here, we're testing this again. Can't really rule out a bigger bounce. There's a few areas we need to pay attention to. So on the way down here, they paid attention to this 17 area. They used this 12 over here, but probably this somewhere in between these. That's something to keep an eye on. They could easily come back up to here into this 30 area, and we could see they could hold below key turns. And if we got more bouncing than expected, we could see into one of these CPs. That's possible, but that would likely be it. Of course, there's always scenarios where you see, something more. I would say this would be kind of the worst case. This would be kind of the biggest bouncing area. Otherwise, we could just see right here. Otherwise, we could not even see that high. So, we'll have to see how that rolls out. So, there we go. All right, let's talk on the way down. So, on the way down, there's a few. These two right here, this area right here, could see a probe down into here, but this will be the first area to get through. This between 53 and 48. Those will be important that we get through those. And potentially, if we haven't already bounced, we could potentially get a bounce from there, but it's just a bounce. So bigger picture target, minimum here, could easily see it kind of eat through that and come down into this area, but minimum down to here. And then just depending on how the movement has been down to this area, how strong the selling is, we could see a bounce from down in this area. And then below there, we've got next target would be this 82 area. And then these two CPs would be the next. So, I know these are somewhat close together. So it'd be here, and then it would be these, and then it would be these. And then below here, there's not a real clear target right now. So not sure that they want all that right now. If that changes, then we'll see. But basically, this is kind of the real obvious next target, this 2400 area, and then a little bit to get through at each of these CPs. If they break down from there, we've got quite a bit lower that we can go, and I'll be as active as I can in the live trade room, and we'll just go from there. So trade well today, and we'll see you in the live trade room.